This is the part 1 of the week 3 and 4 project. So in this project, I've created a new database for the project named BYU Mini Blog Project, and the database has 3 collections, namely users, the post, and then the comment. This database is designed to mimic a backend for a blog website where we have users who create blog posts, and we have the post collection to store the posts that are posted to the website, and then we have comments for each post. Then here we have the server with the route, and then the Swagger JS, and then the Swagger UI, which we are going to use to test all the parts. So first we start with the users, the user paths, where we have the get single user, get all users. Then we have the put to edit a user information. Then we have the post to create a user, and then we have the delete route to delete a user. So let's try out the first route, which is the /users. Okay, so the route return the list of all the users in the database. So that works great. So let's test the next route. Is the /user/id. So here we will need an ID of a user, Emily Brown. Let's use that to test this route. Okay, we have the information from Emily Brown. Great. Then we have the put route for /user/id. So for this route, we will need to provide the ID of the user that we want to update their information. Then here we can edit the username, the password, the first name, the last name, and then the bio. So let's edit Emily Brown's information. Let's edit the first name. The username should, let's say it remains Emily Green instead of Emily Brown. We have Emily Green. And currently, if we look at the database of users, we have Emily Brown here, Emily Brown here. So let's try and edit that, and then the password should remain the same. Password, okay. First name, Emily, and the last name Brown. And then the bio, let's make the bio stay the same. Oh, let's add something, AI researcher and more. So let's test that route and see the response. Okay, so we have a success response, response code 200, user updated successfully. So let's go to the database to verify that. Okay, so now we have Emily Brown, now Emily Green, and the bio now reads AI researcher and more. So that works. Let's test the post route. Here we can create a new user. So let's try that out and say name. Let's say name will be Maggie, email Maggie, password Maggie123, username Maggie, email Maggie at gmail.com, role admin, first name Maggie and last name, Sophie, bio Maggie, blog to blog. Okay, so let's execute. So we have a success response, user created. So let's go to the database to verify that. So we have a new user, Maggie at gmail.com. So that works. So the last route we are going to try out is the delete route. Here we need the ID of the user we want to delete. So let's provide this ID from Maggie and then try that out. By the ID, execute. So we have a success response, error success response code 200, and the response message user deleted successfully. So that sounds great. Let's confirm that from the database. Okay, so Maggie is gone from the database. So all the routes for the user work. Now let's quickly test the route for the post. The blog post, we have the get posts. To get all the posts, we have the get route for post/id, where we can get a specific post. So let's try that out. For the post, we have let's try that out, execute. So we have the list of all the posts. So this post route, when the way the API is designed, when we get the posts the inside the controller, the database, once for every post that is retrieved, all the comments under that post is also retrieved alongside with the post, so that we have every post and their comments. So that's why we have here, we have the post, we have the comments. If we look at the database, we have the comments collection, and we have the post with the comment field, which is an array of comments ID under the post. Okay, so we have the list of the post and their comments. Now let's go to single post. Let's fetch a single post. Here we are going to provide the ID of the post we want to fetch, then execute. So we have the post here, innovations in engineering. Okay, now let's test the put route for the post. We will need to provide the ID, and then we can edit the title of the blog post, we can edit the content, then we can edit the tags. So let's in this case, the title, let's just tweak the title just a little bit. Title is now innovation in engineering and others. Then content will remain pretty the same. Content should remain the open the tags. For the tags, we can just add something. Okay. We can add engineering, and then others. Okay, so execute. Okay, post updated successfully. Let's check that out in database. So let's go to the posts, innovations in engineering and others. Now if you look at the tag, we have 3 tags now: engineering, innovation, and others. So that works great. Now the post route, you can use that to create a new post. So we need the title, let's say new thing, contents, this is a new blog, author should refer to the ID of someone, of a user. So let's go to the database and select an author. Let's say John Doe is the author, and then okay, ID, because if we look at every post, it has an author, and that's an ID. Okay, and then the tags. So the tags, for the tag we can say new thing. Okay, new thing. Then comments. The comments supposed to be empty. Then execute. Okay, post created successfully. So let's confirm that in the database. Okay, we have new theme, a new blog titled new theme. So that works. Fantastic. So the last route we are going to test is the delete route. So for that, we will need the ID of the blog post we want to delete. We can just try that out, and then copy the ID of new theme blog, and then paste that in and execute. So we have success response, post deleted successfully, response code 200. So let's confirm that in the database. So the new theme blog is gone. So all the routes works great. Thank you.